Did you know some people can crack their knuckles over and over, while others have to wait 20 minutes between cracks? Here's the wild science. Inside your joints lives a tiny bubble made of gas. When you crack your knuckles, that bubble pops and makes the sound you hear. But here's the crazy part. It takes exactly 20 minutes for that bubble to reform. That's why cereal crackers seem superhuman. They're just rotating between different knuckles. And the big question everyone asks, it won't give you arthritis. Your grandmother was wrong.